fridge.
There's no drinks left in there.
There's a Gatorade somewhere. That's the freezer.
Oh.
No, that's vodka.
I'm
Oh,
sorry.
fucking A.
Me?
You don't shake it. It's not fucking Pellegrino. What are you doing? It's no poopy. Oh God, you're gonna hate life tomorrow. He's tonguing it.
I already hate life.
Got a little captain in you?
You got a little cake in me. look how flexible it could be.
That's fantastic.
It has to be.
It's great. Thank you, Jen and Nicole.
You know what I mean? Hey Coco,
Was it?
stop
Wait,
looking
no,
at me.
wait.
Stop looking at me like
Jen
that,
and James.
Coco. Hey Coco, why are you looking at me like that?
Go, what about his fucking taint?
Coco, stop looking at me like that. Huh? You like that?
It's a poor dog.
Hey Coco, you like a little piece of that? Let me do this.
Remember when I was talking about Susan earlier? It's the same shit she would do. Poofy, put the vodka away. It's like 5 in the morning.
Oh,
It's time for bed.
Yeah, I know it's time